Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
Audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today onwards you'll be having a word, okay? Not Excel, word. So they made a mistake while sending the timetable. So today onwards you'll be having a word, okay? So 2 days you'll be having word as well as 3 days you'll be having PPT, okay? PowerPoint presentations you'll be having. Okay. Can we start with the word now? So since I already have explained in the Excel itself, the ribbons bar as well as the toolbars, everything, but I'll be giving apart from that, any extra stuffings is there means I'll be giving some information about that. That's it, not more than that. But I'll be at the same time I'll be assigning the work for you all to do. So you have to do on that. Is it fine for you all? Okay, let me start and let me share my screen. Okay, another Excel or doubt idea? Anyone have any doubts with Excel? Did you all practiced each and every stuffings, what and all I told? Hello? Okay, fine. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, this will be your word sheet, okay? So same how I explained in the Excel, same, it will be also same. No more changes. Here, if you go and click on the open, you'll be getting the open items. And if you want the new wins, you can go. And also, if you want to prepare for the resume and also, and if you want to prepare any invoices, means you can come here and you can get things here, okay? So you'll be getting the templates here. So you can take and you can do. So, and also if you want to prepare any party invitations or any greeting cards or anything, okay. So some peoples will be like what is, if you want to do the magazine and all means you can do it under the word itself, okay. Because if you are doing the spreadsheet means it won't be visible because grid line will be there. So if you use this blank pages or nil pages means obviously you can do each and everything. You can, it will be visible each and everything. So that's why we'll be using this one, okay. So the next come to open items means what and all you have opened previously, everything will be pop up here, as well as save. If you want to save means you can go ahead with the save option. Save as means you can just click on the save as, from there you want to download that particular things, or if you want to store that particular file in that file explosion means you can go ahead with that. Desktops or a downloads or a documents, whichever you prefer, you can select that folder and you can save in that. And same as printing options, no more changes. If you want, you can share means you can go ahead with the save and cloud, or if you want to send with the mails, you can go ahead with that. That is the thing. And if you want to export to PDF to JPG or a Word, whatever it may be, you can do it under the export. And if you want to close, you can close the account, and it is accounting details. Since I did not log in, so it is they are not showing anything. So if you are signing this, automatically your name and your details will be pop up here. And options, if you want to set in for anything, if you're doing any project works or anything means you can come here and you can set it here by using username or initials, or if you want the colors or whatever the theme, if you prefer, you can set it here. Okay, I won't be setting anything. Okay, so this is will be your ribbon bar. Okay, so in the ribbon bar, it will be same like Excel ribbon bars. What and all I have explained you all. The same thing will be there. So apart from that, anything is there means I'll be explaining now. Okay. So do you have any doubts with the home page? Home page. So you guys are already practiced these stuffings, I guess. So this will be like a styles means based on your things. So let me take an example. So if you want a different varieties of things means you can use this, no space or with things. If you want like this. So these are the varieties of styles they have given for you all. Whichever you prefer, you can go ahead with that. Okay. You click on down means you can. If you want to create a style with your own means you can do that also. So in the insert, if you go for this means cover page. What do you mean by cover page?
Front page.
Yes. So if you want to prepare front page, if you, I think you guys already have done the project works in your schools and degree masters as well as in your things. Am I right? In the college life. So cover page means will be like front page. So where you can see your documents details and your details as well as what are the project work you are doing. Everything will be displayed here. So you can use these themes and you can do. Okay. And if you want a blank page means you can go ahead with a blank page. If you want a page break is nothing that. So after completion of this, if you want page break means you can go ahead with a page break. It will be jump to the next page. Okay. So you're going to get a full stop for that particular page. And if you want to do anything in the next page means you can give the page break also. And table, if you want to particular tables means you can like this you can use and you can do. And if you we have a option of insert, if you want you can draw also by using this. Okay, like this you can draw and whatever you want you can do. And also if you want to erase means you can go and you can erase that particular things. So this is how it will work. Understood? Okay, as well as if you want the pictures means you can insert the pictures also. Let me insert one. Same, which what are the things in I have taught you in the Excel, the same way it will be the things. So you can select anything. And if you want to remove particularly anything means you can go ahead and you can remove. So since pink mark will be removed area, okay. So and if you want settings, if you want to highlight the things, shapes or whatever it may be, if you want to give the colorings also, you can give, you can change the colors also. And also themes, we have effects. So you can go ahead with the effects. If you want to compress means you can compress. So same thing will be appeared here also. Okay, no more changes. Mm. And also if you want you can go you can use the shapes and smart arts charts. And if you want you can go ahead with the screenshots. And also you can use the online videos also. If it is online video is available means you can take that videos and you can post it there. And hyperlink, if you have, if you want the hyperlink already which I have taught you in the Excel, so you can create your own hyperlinks. And if you want you can mark the bookmark also, which I taught you all. I think you guys remember, I guess. What is the meaning of bookmark? Hello? Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
Giving a name to a particular.
Yes. If it is
topic.
there means if you like not a name, bookmark means you'll be like if it is very spacious or if you have made any mistake to highlight that, we'll be using the bookmarks. If you want that file particularly means you can give the bookmark. So in the books and all, you'll be marking right while reading the books. You'll be keeping one pen or sometimes you'll be keeping a pitch of paper sheet and all that. The same thing will be appeared here also. Okay. So and if you want, you can go ahead with the comment also and header footer page. So you can select whichever you want. Okay. And footer also, if you want, means you can go ahead with that. So this is how it will work. Page number. If you're doing any project works means obviously we will be needed for page number. Am I right? So okay, if you want top means you can go ahead with the top option, bottom or a page margins if you want means you can go ahead with that. Current position if you want, or if you want to remove the page numbers also you can remove the page numbers from here. Okay. And if you want a text box, you can text box, you can take quick parts means you can auto text. You can do the auto text. That also is available. Word art, you can take this also. Signature and all, I have taught you all. The same thing will be appear. And designs, come to the part of designs. If you want the titles, so if you are done with any project works means obviously the titles shape should be different, right? So whichever you prefer, the format you can take it here. Like how you want the titles, based on that format you can take. So sometimes we need a heading in the top as well as downwards you need a chapter one, like that, right? So same like that, chapter one, and title should be highlighted means you can click on that particular. So if you click on the down part, will be available, it will be visible. You can take whichever you prefer, okay? And if you want, you can change the colors also, depends on you. And font and paragraph spacing, if you want a space, how much space you need, you can select by this based on the text, okay, not any other things. So text paragraph spacing means like you are going to give the space for particular sentence or a paragraphs or a line wise. So whichever you prefer, you can take with us. And if you want to give particular effects, means you can use this. Let me take one blank page. Okay. So particularly if you want to give for any sentence, if you want to give the effects means you can go ahead with that and you can select that and you can give the effects on this. So by default it will be appeared. So effects will be the same formatting, but whichever you feel you can give. Okay. So and watermark. Watermark means, what is the meaning of watermark? I think in your college certificates and all, you can in the backside you can see that transparent one. University of Mysore, University of Bangalore, and some image will be, building image will be there, university image, and sometimes so those things will be called it as a watermarks. So whichever you prefer, you can use that. Okay, like let me take. It will be like this, and also you can customize by your own. Okay. Custom watermark. So there, if you want on the picture wise, so if you want to custom watermark the picture means you can take the picture. So if you don't want the picture means you can go ahead with the text also. It's up to you. Okay. Let me take for the picture. Okay. You can select the pictures. Let me take from the, if you want, you can go ahead with the file. If you have already have in your file explosion means you can use that, or else you can go with the search option. So let me take smile. Okay. So here also, if you want, you can text means we have to edit here. So let me apply this. So can you see here how the watermark is working? So like this, you can do the watermark and also text. Let me teach you all the text. So here I'll be taking as a AMA. Okay. And here also, if you want, you can change the font also. I'll be taking Times New Roman. Okay. And size also, if you want, you can increase the size. Color, if you want, you can take the color also. And if you want diagonal, you can go ahead with the diagonal. If you want horizontal, means you can go ahead with the horizontal. Whichever you prefer, you can take. And you can just click on the apply and you can close. Can you see here how it will work? So this is how the watermark will work. And if you want the page color, means you can go ahead with the page color. We have different varieties of page colors. And if you want the borders also, we have a different varieties of borders, thick borders, thin borders, double borders, and also we varieties of borders we have. If you want, you can take that, you can drag that. Let me take this way. If you want particular selected page only, if you want, means you can go ahead with that. So let me take with that. The picture will be shown here, okay? The diagrams, borders will be. Also, you can drag it. Can you see? So this is how the page borders will be applied, okay? Whichever you prefer, you can go ahead with that. And layout. So layout also same margins if you want, particularly you can go ahead. And orientations means it will be like a portrait and landscape. It's completely different for the printout. For printing purpose, we'll be using, so which I have taught you all in the Excel, okay? So the next will be reference. So this also I have taught you all. So table of contents. So first should be heading one, heading two, like that. If you want, means what and all it should contain. So that table wise, you can go ahead with that. And if you want to add text, means you can add in the level 1, level 2, level 3. So like reference, it's nothing that. So if you are referring any particular people, means you can use this, okay? So since you guys are not doing any project works, I'm not telling you. Okay, bibliography means what? Bibliography means what?
From where we exactly got the details, like
Yes, it's like a from which website you
Website.
got the information, or from which library, which book we have referred. So that will be contents under the bibliography. And mails. So what is the meaning of envelopes? Envelope. ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಎನ್ವಿಲಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ವಿಲಾಪ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, envelope covers we can do by ourselves only. So you can just click on the envelopes. So, and if you want to like send for anyone, if you want to print that envelopes, means you can delivery address as well as return address, everything you can paste it here. Let me take it as a okay. And if you want, you can go ahead with the print. And if you want, you can add up the document. So it will be stored. If you print, if suddenly if you want to print, that means you can go ahead with that, and you will be getting that envelope. So as well as same as labels. So labels. So in the birthday labels and all, you have seen that birthday labels, and also we used to put for our books and all. So that also is available. So you can mention the label details and you can print. You can take a print, or if you want, you can keep in your file explosion. Okay, so that is the thing. So these are the things already I have explained here. That's it. So any doubts with the ribbons bar for anyone? Anyone have any doubts with the ribbons bar? Hello, online students. Anyone have any doubts in the ribbon bar or a toolbar?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll be giving a task for y'all. What you have to do means, so recently we had Deepavali. Am I right? So you're going to prepare one Deepavali invitation as well as one Kannada Rajyotsava greeting card. Okay, invitation. Two invitation you are going to prepare by using the word. Understood? And for now, you guys can carry on with the Deepavali. So assignment will be Kannada Rajyotsava. Okay. So whatever you feel you can do, I think you guys are aware about how the greeting card look like. Am I right? So you know, right? How the greeting card will be. If you want, you can like maybe show now. It should be. Don't use the chat GPT and all. Okay, you have to create by yourself. So anything. So it should be like creatively. It should be made up, and it should be so attractive. The theme for y'all will be Deepavali. Okay. So you'll be going to invite your friends, whatever you want. You can add on the stuffs in that particular pages, and it should be so creatively. You have to prepare. Understood? Online students. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be giving 30 minutes time to complete and make it fast, and you're going to submit to. You have to use each and every stuffings what and all contained in the ribbon bar. I want everyone should use everything. Okay. It can be a watermark or a bookmark or a page number, whatever. You have to use each and everything, as well as the greeting card also should look great. Okay. It should be unique from others. Okay, start doing. All the best. ಏನಪ್ಪ? I think ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಕಣೆ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಹುಡ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಗೈಸ್. Now it's 12:16. Okay, so you're going to submit me 1 o'clock. I'll be giving 10 minutes extra for you all to complete. Okay, make it fast. 5 minutes left, guys. Make it fast.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes. Somebody was telling something.
Ma'am, how do I share this?
You can send me the file in the WhatsApp.
But I'm not able to do it. How do I do that?
Same as go to
Yeah,
file
I've done that.
exposure and you can share.
Save as, shall I select share?
No, you have to go for the WhatsApp and there you have to select the document and in that you have to select that particular file and you have to send me.
Okay.
And others, did you all complete it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, make it fast.
Ma'am, ಅದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಹ್ಮ್
ಅದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. Okay, let me show you once more. Okay, let me insert one picture. Okay, so now I have inserted one picture. So you can see one icon in the layout option. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
You can click on that. So where you want that particular pictures, like if you want to write the text on the top means you can go ahead with that, or if you want the text has to be on the top of that particular picture means you can go ahead with that. One second. I selected header footer, so on.
I want to right corner and left corner.
What? You can move like this where you want. Can you see?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Just click on that wherever you want. You can just click on that and you can move that. And on the top also you can make the sentence also. Text box also you can create.
Ma'am, I've sent you. Can you just check whether it's come?
Okay, let me check. So like this, you can write the text also. On the top also you can write. Like it is behind that. If you want, you can make it on the top also. Okay, like this also, if you want the sentence should be on the top of that, means you can make down as well as you can move the pictures wherever you feel. The top also it will come, in the down also it will come. Understood? Right means you can just
Yes, ma'am.
comprise this pictures, and in the right also you can take that. Okay, let me check. And others, you can complete that. Anyone have any doubts? Yes, I received. Diwali Puja. Okay, while coming tomorrow, you guys can do one more homework. So, you can create any wedding invitation. Okay, that will be your homework. And while coming tomorrow, I will be giving one more assignment. You can do it there at the center itself. Okay. Okay. Is it fine for you all? I request everyone to send your assignment in my WhatsApp number. You can send through WhatsApp. So I already you guys have my number, so you can send me. Or else, if you can't means you can share your screen. If you're done now means you can share your screen and you can present. And Sujata, you can share your screen and you can present now.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see. Just click on that hide option. The top, the downwards.
This
The
one.
meeting. There in the down, can you see that? Stop sharing and hide option.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. Make it big.
Like,
Not that one. The third option.
what should I do?
Make it big. Screen is so small.
Like,
Okay, let it be. Mm,
just made it like this.
okay, nice. Little more you should add. Okay.
Yeah, but I was finding it difficult to move these photos after downloading.
Mhm. Now I showed you right how to move.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yes. So nice, but little more stuffing has to be added here. Okay.
Okay.
Try to complete creatively, guys. I request you all to do creatively. Okay, use your new ideas and create your own. Okay, is it fine for you all? And this will be your homework for you all. While coming tomorrow, you have to prepare one slide that will be your regarding any marriage invitation. Okay, is it fine for you all? Yes or no? Can you able to do and submit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, guys. Here I'm going to wind up the session. You can send me the document in the WhatsApp. So we'll discuss rest of the concept in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Take care and enjoy your day. Bye bye. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ದು ಓನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಓಕೆ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್